test drive. Pullin A.S. Cam Stage 1. Shut up, I know I got on my seatbelt. Idle's great with the stop converter. No hooking and bucking, not stalling. Call that a win. The Pullin A.S. Stage 1 cam. This is the kind of horsepower it makes. Started out bone stock, got a baseline, then I put pace setter headers, Gibson exhaust, I think it's Gibson, or Borla. Volt intake, picked up like 25 horsepower, tuned it, picked up 10 more horsepower. Now we put the cam in, see what we gain from that.
What you think?
40 horsepower gain, just putting the cam in there from the headers. And looks like around 20 foot-pounds of torque just from it too. Didn't lose any power down low. Gained torque and power everywhere. Let's see if we can get that on. Well, I was say around 5,000 it was picking up a little bit of spark knock and full timing out. So that's a little bit more power probably left there from 2 degrees of timing. Oh dang, we picked up more horsepower that time. We almost picked up another 10 horsepower right there. Pullin A.S. cam for a win. Alright, so here we go. Breaking down the Pullin A.S. Stage 1 cam. Test mule was a bone stock 2005 Silverado 5.3, 83,000 miles on four-wheel drive. Awesome little truck. Baseline 255, 310. So great. The customer wanted the full bolt-ons cam and the whole deal, but I wanted to see just how much horsepower this cam would gain. So got the baseline, pulled it over in the shop, put long tube headers, MagnaFlow exhaust, volt intake, put it back on the dyno, jumped up to 275, 326. Then I got the HP tuners out, hit some buttons, Black Magic, 284, 335. All right, time to go back on the lift. Slide in the magic stick. And then put it back on the dyno from just the cam, no tuning, jumped up to 325, 356. I felt there was a little bit more in it, so we got the laptop back out, gained another almost 10 horsepower. So we're at 334, 362. So from just the cam alone, we gained 50 horsepower with tuning. So start to finish, that's an 80 horsepower gain from a cam that'll work with your stock converter. Runs great, drives great, still got air conditioning. You can't beat this, guys. You ready to get a cam in your car, your truck, whatever, hit us up. We got them all for you.